Hey guys, it's Marco here, Fullyloaded Cars, and welcome back to our channel. This is the final video in the FTO restoration series, and today is the day that Ollie and Sarah come up to pick up their baby. This car means a lot to them, so it means a lot to us that they put their trust in us to restore the car, and we're happy with the way it come out. It is absolutely perfect, it's stunning, which you'll see in a minute. So I'm hoping that they're gonna be happy with it. I'm sure they are, because I'm happy with it. So if I'm happy with it, I'm sure they're gonna be happy with it. So yeah, thanks for following us and following the series. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments section down below. And don't forget to like and share so we can grow our channel. And yeah, I'm really excited about seeing Sarah and Ollie picking up their cars, because they've been waiting 3 years because of COVID and everything, and yeah, they've been waiting 3 years to get the car in, and we've had it for a year and it's finally done. So really excited to see their response.